All right, folks, this is Jeff at Wickedoil.com. It is the 28th of January, 2023. I'm going to see if I can splice this short video with the other two that I made the other day before and after putting this Babicz Tune-O-Matic system on here. But in the original video, I did a demo, then I took it off. Just put this on because there's no way to pull the string. Well, there is, but I don't want to go through that bullshit. I loosened up the strings, screwed this off, put the bridge on, and then put the original anchor back on, tuned it up, and the action needed to be set. I mean, I said it was decent, but it was a little high here and a little low here, and I just wanted to do it before and after. At this point, it's got a full setup on it. Neck's nice and straight. The radius is set. Intonation is set. We've got the anchor, Babicz anchor on. Can we see that? I think we can. Yeah, right there. There we go. So this is just a sound sample through the same amplifier that I did the original two videos on, which is my AC15 with a Weber Alnico Blue Dog 12-inch speaker. Anyway, I'm just gonna, well, here, let's just start off. I'm gonna put the tones on 10, run the bridge, and instead of talking, I'll show you what I'm doing, and here we go. So we'll start low and work our way up high. Putting this Babicz on has literally turned the playability value of this guitar way up, way up. Just a little bit easier to show the guitar. So I've got the, I'm going to set the tone at about 5 on the bridge. Wide open, about 5. this works, the science behind it, but the tone, it doesn't make quite as a pronounced difference, but the difference it makes is more, I'd call it pristine. It's just, it's making a difference. So anyway, I'm not saying it's good or bad, I'm just saying it is. Nick. Oh, I never turned the bridge all the way up to 10. Here, let's do 10. The tone is still on 5. This thing has always rang out well, but it's really, it has more of a linear carry through now. I like it. All right, I'm gonna turn the I'm gonna start off low on the volume like I did on the bridge. you can't tell that's badass, well, there might not be any hope for you. Anyway, the only thing about this that I could conceivably consider as some form of a negative is that I have noticed that now it has just a little bit of a fizziness on the top end. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing, because it actually sounds good, but there's a lot of when people are doing upgrades to guitars and amps and stuff like that, fizzy is always associated with bad, and I don't agree with that 100%, but I will say that it actually has an appealing sound and feel to it on my end. It just sounds like some serious rockin', man. And it's only when I really turn it up loud. So I mean, the speakers in its sweet spot or close to it anyway. So, but I didn't really notice it until I did this. So I didn't notice it when I put the pickups in. It's only now that I've done this. So again, I'm not saying it's bad, I'm just saying it's something that I've noticed, and if you have some preoccupation with disliking any type of fizz whatsoever, maybe this won't be for you. I don't know. Or maybe it won't happen on your rig. I mean, the likelihood that you have the exact same setup and, you know, the same touch I have and everything else is pretty slim. So I will say that I'm running direct into the amplifier, so as I usually do, especially on my Vox. I mean, I have a compressor here, and I have an EQ pedal. What is that? A GE7? Was that Boss? Yeah. And I don't know. I'm just not a big fan of pedals, especially when you can get a bitchin' sound without it. But the compressor does make a nice. It would probably take that little edge off, and it would probably eliminate, or at least corral that little bit of fizz that I'm hearing. But again, I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying it's there. I think it sounds good. So with that said, we're 16 minutes, so I'm not going to splice this with the other videos. I'll just make it as a final part of the. I'll make it a 2 or 3 part video. So anyway, I'm digging this Babicz. I could see, you know, they're a couple $100 each, so it'll take me a while to get a few more of them, because I spend too much money on shit as it is. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. I hope this information has helped you in some manner, and please visit us on the web at wickedoil.com for all your lubrication needs, you know, for cars and stuff like that. Anyway, have a great day, and let's see, have a great week, because tomorrow's Monday. See ya.